Hi, I'm Brian Ashworth of Disaster Aid Australia. These sky hydrants that we provide are great for cleaning water up, but like all water filters, the better you look after them, the longer they will last and the more water they will filter. This video talks about pre-treatment of the water, so the water coming into the sky hydrant is as clean as possible. There are a couple of ways of making sure the water is cleaner. One is using settlement, the other is using some sort of pre-filtration. In this video we'll discuss both of these.
In fast-flowing rivers and streams, all the particles get mixed up, but once the water becomes stiller, then settlement can occur. In this photo, you can see that after settlement, the heavy particles have dropped to the bottom. Leaves, twigs, light particles and oil float on the top, and the best quality water is in the middle. With settlement, we aim to take this better quality water for the sky hydrant. This diagram shows how placing the outlet to the head tank halfway up improves the water quality to the sky hydrant. At regular intervals, the valve to waste should be opened to flush the dirty water out of the head tank. If you are taking the water from a small dam, again, putting the outlet to the sky hydrant halfway up the dam wall improves the water quality. It's possible to take water from below the surface of a pond or lake. This photograph shows an easily built floating offtake using inexpensive plumbing parts. When taking water from the side of a river, you can improve quality by constructing a short stilling channel.
If you can see a large number of dirt particles in the water, you can take another step to improve treatment by keeping those particles out of the sky hydrant. This is an inline filter which can be fitted. This particular filter has a clear plastic bowl so you can see when the filter starts to become dirty. In operation, the water comes in this direction, flows into the outside of the bowl, through the metal screen and out to the sky hydrant. To clean it, just take the bowl off the filter and you can then clean the metal screen. Once the dirt is clean, just reassemble the filter and it's ready to run again.
Drilling holes in a plastic pipe or even a plastic dustbin will prevent leaves and twigs being sucked into the system. This can be used either with a tank outlet to serve a gravity system or even a pump.
When used with a pump, as well as keeping the small particles out of the pump, it also stops the pump sucking mud off the bottom of the river or lake.
It's sometimes possible when using a bore pump to actually use the gravel and sand at the bottom of the river as a filter, as shown in this diagram.
In a permanent installation, you may use one or two or even three different pre-treatment methods combined to make sure the water is as clean as possible going into the sky hydrant. I hope you've found these methods useful. Don't forget to look on our YouTube channel for more instructional videos about sky hydrant installations.